Hi folks, I hope everybody's doing good. Today I want to show you a knife I've had for a couple months now. It's a Otter 3 rivet. I know I'm kind of late to the party. All the YouTubers already have one of these, but I think I'm the only one that has it in a smoked oak cover. So we'll take a closer look at that in a minute. First, let's take a quick spin around the block. As you'll see, pretty much some of the same stuff out here. But I guess it's always good to take another look at it. See if I can hold it steady. And I want to have you guys get a look at the Rough Riders here put together. Check out, there's a new Schrade Barlow in the family. But here's the two Rough Riders. Trying to hold it steady here. Now that Remington bullet knife is out for a reason. Because as you'll see, I got more than just the Otter 3 rivet out here. What's going on today is I have a cookout slash bonfire kind of party to go to. Rumor has it the guy is roasting a pig, so it's kind of like a pig roast. And some friends of mine that I haven't seen since before the COVID mess are going to be there. So I was talking to a good friend of mine, Zen Ali, on some options what to carry to this barbecue slash party fest. And this is what we came up with. Of course, on the left side on the belt will be, here, let's move this up because it's all going to start turning yellow. Left side on the belt will be the Buck 532 lock, mid-lock. So that's coming along. As you'll see, I figured out a way how to keep it from rattling in the sheath. You need to just find something like this. No rattle. Plus, it's a little easier to pull out of the sheath just by that, and you got kind of a cleaning cloth. So that's coming along. The other one we came up with, which will be in my left front pocket, is the 1950s Boker Camp. And as you'll see, because the bottle opener will be needed, and you never know, the screwdriver might come in handy. I probably won't need to open any cans, but should I have to, I'll be ready. And this has a nice spear point, all stainless. And it also has a little pen blade. So that'll be coming along. And then I needed something for my back pocket. And usually the default for that is my favorite back pocket carry, which is a Christopher Johnson single spear point work knife with ebony handles. Let's pull this light in here a little better. But I want to give that one a rest and take the Otter 3 rivet on its maiden voyage. As you can see, it's pristine. Now, Joe over at Messer HQ, I watched a video he did where he picked out his favorite carry, and by no surprise, he came up with the Otter 3 rivet. And I couldn't disagree with him, because this seems like this would be an awesome carry. And he had it up against 4 other really nice knives. But here, let's take a look at the smoked oak. Some beautiful covers. And we'll take a look at the size of it. It's a 4-inch handle with a 3¼ inch, 3½ inch blade, 3-inch cutting edge, a little over 3-inch cutting edge. Now the question I have, should I force a patina on it beforehand, or just get the natural patina going? I think I'll just get the natural patina going, because if they're roasting a pig, the warm juices from the meat will give it a kind of a bluing effect. So we'll see what it looks like after I use this all day and all night. It's a beautiful knife. And let's put this here. Still got another minute to kill. Of course, its older and more expensive brother is the B knife, where the brass is getting a nice patina on it. Well, that's not working out too good, but let's do it this way. And you can see they're both on the same frame. I'm going to pull this up a little bit. There we go. Get the color right. See, they're both on the same frame. Blades look pretty much the same. The Otter is a little bigger on the B knife. This is plumwood, you guys. Smoked oak and plumwood. It's 2 really nice knives. And get you a little shot of the B there on the badge. And of course, this hasn't been used. This is a collection piece. I probably doubt I'll ever use this. But that's what we have. Bring this in the back pocket. It's in the left front. Once again is the Boker. And the Buck 532. Tell me what you think. Is that like the ultimate carry for a barbecue, cookout, bonfire kind of thing? Then I also can, to help out with the firewood, is I'm thinking on bringing this too, which is my Gerber strong arm. So I'll keep it in the truck, and if I need to use it, I can go out to the truck and grab it. So, my friends, until next time, I'll get you this one more chime here. Let's get it straight and square. So, my friends, until next time, take care. Peace. Bye-bye.